First impressions and perception management. Human perception, in many ways, is a series of first impressions that occur in response to all forms of stimuli encountered. These initial impressions play a pivotal role in shaping our understanding and reactions to the world around us. The concept of perception management hinges on recognizing the profound significance of first impressions and understanding how to influence them in a structured and calculated manner. As a rule, different humans respond differently to the same stimuli. Therefore, at a population level, it is impossible to design a system capable of achieving hypothetical 100% success rate in perception management. The process of quantification. When individuals encounter new things within their experiences, their minds initiate a process of quantification. This involves attempting to assign parameters of understanding to the novel stimulus, most often through comparative analysis with prior experiences. This phase represents a critical moment for perception managers, as it is during this window that impressions can be most effectively shaped. Perception management as illusion. Perception management is, in essence, a form of illusion. It shares many of the same principles and objectives, with the ultimate goal being the construction of a desired response. While perception management exists at a population level, where trained specialists are utilized for various ends, all individuals engage in this activity to some extent. On a personal level, individuals often omit certain details about themselves to deliberately shape the perceptions of those around them. Similarly, the aspects an individual emphasizes can lay the groundwork for a dynamic of appearance versus reality. For instance, individuals may present themselves in ways that contrast with their true nature, which can only be discerned through their long-term behavior. To optimize the probability of successful perception management, individuals may employ various tools, such as visual stimuli, adjusting physical appearance through clothing, grooming, or body language; auditory stimuli, crafting conversations or selecting words that align with the desired perception. Understanding the objectives behind perception management not only reveals the methods and techniques employed, but also provides insight into the true nature of the perception manager. For example, if perception management is utilized for criminal purposes, such as fraud, determining the underlying motive can be highly complex. The techniques employed in such cases can range from simple to sophisticated, and the sophistication often reflects the experience level of the perception manager. Scale and complexity in perception management. In perception management, scale does not necessarily correlate with complexity. Simple techniques can be effectively deployed on large groups, often leveraging the dynamics of collective behavior. Conversely, perception management that targets individuals often requires greater complexity, as it must account for unique psychological factors and personal histories. Broad-scale perception management, utilized in advertising or political campaigns, where straightforward messages resonate with large audiences. Targeted perception management, focused on individuals, necessitating tailored approaches that consider specific traits, desires, or vulnerabilities. The significance of first impressions. First impressions are significant because they are often zero-sum games. Once an impression is formed, any conflicting information introduced afterward must be justified or disproven on an individual basis. This resistance to change arises from the psychological phenomenon of cognitive dissonance, where individuals experience discomfort when presented with information that contradicts their initial beliefs. Consequently, perception management aims to create strong, favorable first impressions that are resilient to subsequent challenges. Conclusion. First impressions are foundational to human perception, serving as the initial framework through which new stimuli are understood. Perception management, as a structured effort to influence these impressions, operates as a powerful tool for shaping reality. By understanding the underlying processes of quantification, appearance versus reality, and the dynamics of scale and complexity, we can better appreciate the mechanisms and implications of perception management. Whether applied at the individual or societal level, perception management underscores the critical importance of first impressions and the intricate interplay between appearance and truth.